Do insurance companies require specific door reinforcement on high-value properties for coverage? Yes, many insurers expect higher security standards for high-value homes and may require certain types of door reinforcement as part of their underwriting or claims requirements. Start by asking your agent which features they mandate and which they merely recommend, and get those requirements in writing so you can document compliance. Common mandatory items include rated deadbolts, reinforced strike plates with long screws anchored into framing, and doors with a minimum door core rating such as solid core wood or metal. For sliding or patio doors, insurers often ask for auxiliary locks that secure the door at multiple points or commercially rated pin systems that prevent lift-out. Keep clear records by photographing installations, saving receipts, and noting installer credentials and model numbers to speed claims processing if needed. If a property is listed as a high-value risk, consider a professional security assessment to identify weak points beyond doors like windows and garage access, and present that report to the insurer to demonstrate proactive risk reduction. 3 frequent problems are assuming a new lock automatically satisfies insurer rules, using short screws and strike plates, and failing to document upgrades properly. Each has a simple corrective action. Do not assume that a brand name or electronic keypad meets requirements because insurers often specify ratings or standards. Confirm the exact standard, such as a specific grading system, and replace hardware to match if necessary. Replace 2-inch screws in strike plates with at least 3-inch screws driven into the structural framing to prevent kick-in failures, and show photos of the installed screws if your insurer requests proof. If you skip receipts, installer details, or before and after photos, you risk claim disputes, so keep a dated folder or digital archive with purchase information, installation dates, and clear images. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like door reinforcement and broader asset protection. We help homeowners find local contractors and let contractors list services and find work, and we also host a discussion community where users share experiences, ask questions, and compare solutions.